Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook and Eat with Nanu. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Sri Lankan chicken curry. There are so many different kinds of chickens available in the USA in the supermarkets. That depends on the state. But today I picked whole organic chicken from Costco. This is what I'm going to be making today on my chicken curry. I have 1 teaspoon of tamarind. I just want to show you how tamarinds come in a package like this. They come in seedless. So I have 1 teaspoon of tamarind in here. I have 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 4 teaspoons of curry powder, my own curry powder. I have 4 teaspoons of paprika, a piece of ginger, 2 teaspoons of salt as needed, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 8 cloves of garlic, and 4 pieces of lemongrass. And I have 4 pieces of cinnamon, 2 pieces of cardamom, and 2 of cloves, and some curry leaves right here. And I have 1 cup of light coconut milk from the coconut powder. I will show you soon. And I have the thick 2 cups of coconut milk. This is the thick coconut milk from the coconut powder. Today I'm going to be using this coconut milk powder made in Sri Lanka. Since it's a tropical country, Sri Lanka has the best coconuts. This coconut powder, you can buy it any Sri Lankan store or online. Sri Lankan Delight is the one I get usually. And you can use this canned coconut milk too. This is really good too, and that's as you liking. And this is the other coconut milk I use on my chicken curry. Both these coconut cans you can use on the chicken curry, and this one too. This one you can mix it for your liking. I'm gonna use 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut oil today, and I have 4 cups of water here, and I have 1 onion. Chicken is already cut up, so I'm gonna be adding some of the ingredients before I cook. I'm gonna add turmeric, salt, half of it, tamarind, fenugreek, black pepper, apple cider vinegar, so today I'm gonna be making with coconut oil. I have 2 teaspoons here. I'm gonna be adding my remaining ingredients: mustard, garlic, and onion. Curry leaf, lemongrass, ginger, mix well. So I let this cook for about a minute till golden brown. Now I'm going to be adding curry powder, paprika, and the chili powder. You can use the chili powder as for your preference. If you don't want it medium spicy, you can use less. Now I'm gonna add my chicken that I marinated. Keep stirring. Now I'm going to add my light coconut milk. And the water, I have 4 cups here, but I'm only going to put 2 cups. I will use it as needed. Remember, I only added 1 teaspoon of salt, so you can add more for your preference as for your taste. So now we are gonna let it cook. Cover and cook. It needs a little bit more salt, so I'm gonna add the remaining 1 teaspoon. You can add salt as your preference, your liking. So it's been cooking on medium heat. Looks like it's done. I'm gonna turn it off and let it rest for a few minutes so the curry will settle. It is time to eat the chicken curry with quinoa. Smells good, looks good too. Let's try. I wish I have a tortilla to eat with this. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna try with quinoa first. It's really good. I'm gonna try it with the tortilla. I'm gonna get more gravy. Very good. It's delicious. I'm going to try chicken. Perfectly cooked, soft. This is good. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. This is really good.